I'm sick of your behavior, all of you guys.
Did somebody just die at Misguided Motorsports?
I haven't eaten in 3 days in preparation for this. Hey, you doing Italian beef? What's on top of that chimichanga? You ever see one like that? You know bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world?
I feel like I have to put Google it and put it on there on the screen, like the factoid.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Just came by to check out the shop.
Welcome, welcome. That's a brand new Grom, huh? It is.
Yeah, I got 700 miles on it, 900 total, but I put 700
Fucking
on
new
it.
Grom.
Yeah, I got everything you might need for that bike.
Yeah? You guys still doing Mini Bike Mondays?
Yeah, we're doing it today, but we're not making a post about it.
Yeah, it's
because
gonna be a small group.
I'm sick of the behavior that happens on Mini Mondays. So now we're just not gonna post it. I'm sick of your behavior, all of you guys.
I think we're meeting over here around 6, but
Yeah, just be here at 6.
to be honest,
You can hang out here with me all day if you want. You don't even gotta go home.
I don't know if the wife would like that.
Brian, when are you getting married?
I don't
Putting
know.
the
When are you
pressure
finding
on.
a girl? I don't fucking know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
not engaged, you know. Mail time.
Who's that?
I have no idea.
Who the fuck is that guy?
That would be.
We're just gonna 2-piece this tank. Just because that's how it was done before and he didn't seem to mind. And it'll be quicker for me. I think your new Jeffrey Dahmer show was disgusting. And I don't think they should be allowed to put stuff like that on TV. I was offended. I know I'm not the only one.
Did you watch the whole thing?
Oh yeah.
Look at what I brought you today.
You're getting all sorts of treats today.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah.
You've been a good boy.
I have, right?
Why don't you sit on my lap and tell me what you want for Halloween? Come on.
You know.
Come on, tell me what you want for Halloween. Do you have a license plate frame or anything? You got a keychain?
I have a keychain.
Not a plate frame?
I do. I didn't know what play frame was.
What can I give you?
A water would be great.
I don't think I have any of that. I got beer.
Dude, I'm 18. You can't say that on camera.
We'll edit that part out.
Yeah,
I didn't mean it.
You meant root beer.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it says.
That's,
Yeah.
that's what
the machine does. I just wrapped that tank.
Yeah?
Doesn't that look good?
Looks sick.
Huh?
What's this?
Oh, this is wrapped. No kidding.
Yeah, I just did that. That's the
Bro, you're gonna need him to wrap your.
Yeah, low key.
You know, I used to do that for like 7 years.
No kidding.
This is the first non-vinyl
Yeah.
installing job that I've had in like 7 years.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks good.
Thank you.
This is, I'd say about like half as good as I could do probably, because I don't know if it lives up to my standards.
Dude, that vinyl matches so good.
I like the black and green on that front fender.
Do you?
Yeah, have black and have green.
You just saying that?
Yeah. No, I really do.
Misguided Motorsports?
Justin died.
Did Justin just die?
It's not here. I'm gonna go into Harbor Freight and just fucking lose it. Tired of you guys fucking me around. What's up, dude?
Looking for a.
Trigger finger?
Yeah.
You messaged me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got them.
Are RSC trigger fingers back in stock?
RSC trigger fingers are back in stock. Yeah, one sec. I'm building a stool. Some pretty serious stuff going on back here today. Trigger finger. Regular. Trigger finger.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, let me know if you need anything else.
Yeah, definitely. Good luck with that chair.
Hey, thanks. I'm gonna need it. He knows I'm not having any luck with the chair. Why would he say that?
Seems like it's going pretty well.
You want to go to Anthony's later? Are we doing Italian beef today?
I'm kind of nervous after seeing you the day after you tried your last one.
What do you mean?
You were in the bathroom all day.
No, I wasn't.
Hey, you were.
How am I gonna get this to stay?
Zip tight.
This is okay? That's not okay. I just need it blown out just enough to get my nut in there. Because my nut's not fucking going in there if it's not blown out. Right? Nick? We gotta take these forks apart and break those wheels down so that they can go to powder tomorrow with the forks. Yep. Get all that nasty. Well, it really doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you. And it doesn't smell. You know what that's from? We'll take this fender off and... Oh. Yep, there you go. Once I take the fender off, we can pump them up. But we're going to squeeze them out. Those guys are fucking really on there. I'm sure none of this stuff has ever been taken apart, you know? And so we don't lose anything. We'll replace all the hardware. You guys are pretty empty. So these covers are probably the worst that I've ever dealt with. I'm literally having to smack them off with a hammer because they're just full of calcium. But we're being gentle and just kind of tapping them off, but it's proving to take a long time. There it is. That was probably like 15 minutes of tapping.
I got some of this blue fire.
Huh?
It's like spicy chili popcorn. Mix your tongue and all that stuff, and hands just die blue though. Yo!
There
What
he
up,
is.
big dog?
Oh my
This
snap.
is Crockett.
It is. That's a 62 for
R7.
for an R7.
Yeah.
What, are you gonna stretch it out?
No, he's make a stump bike. So a lot of the stunters will run bigger sprockets in the back,
Oh.
so they can wheel easier. You know what I mean?
So if I put one of these sprockets on,
Mm-hmm.
So the way sprockets work is if you go bigger in the back, you're going to get more torque and you're going to lose top end.
right.
But you're going to gain torque. And then if you go smaller in the front, you'll get the same effect.
You just tell us what you want to do with your bike, and we can get you a sprocket and chain set that'll help. Most guys want better acceleration.
And it's a pretty drastic change when
Mhm.
you're talking about like a stunt bike. I mean, you'll take a bike that could go 160, 170 and bring it down to like 100 mile an hour top. Like that green bike probably only does like 100. But
it
it's
gets
all
there.
torque.
It gets there just as fast as like a Busa would, though, because it's so fast.
What?
That
That'll
bike,
get well as fast as a booster.
up until
Up until
about
about
100, and
100.
then you'll be going.
Oh, okay, then it's
Acceleration, yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna tell you something. I cannot ride if I ain't had a drink.
If you haven't had a
If
drink,
I don't have a drink, I can't.
yeah.
Get somebody,
Yeah, I like to have a little bit in me too.
I'm too scared. Can't nobody drive.
Yeah.
You gotta turn
When I get that drink in me,
You get that liquor there.
ah! You gotta move that out of the way before I knock you off the road.
I fucking love that bike. I wish you had a title for
Give
it.
me $800 if you have it.
Yeah?
I just look.
Mail time.
What the fuck is that?
Oh no, it's got your name all over.
Oh, it's our business cards.
You hopped up so fast.
Yeah, I've been waiting. I want to see them. I got custom matte. You want to try some? No. They're matte velvet. And then oh, they didn't give me the stand though. I had a stand I ordered for them too. Look, in the round edge. Very nice, huh?
Come check us out. Official as a whistle. Pretty cool.
You know what's fucked up is that before we even fucking opened, I was saying we need cards, and Brian's going, no, we don't need. That's old. That's old.
It is old.
Every single
It is old
fucking
school.
person that comes in here, you got a card?
Wait,
You got a car?
no.
Yeah.
It's the old heads that come in here. Bro, no fucking young kid has come in and said, "Can I have a card?" It's an old head looking for his '01 Gixxer to get serviced. Still trying to convince himself that it's the best thing since sliced bread.
Bow!
What was that?
There might be a guy coming to look at the 0304 today. Nice! You got it up?
All of them.
Did you get an extra motorcycle lift?
No.
Nice.
But you need to talk, because I reached out to them last night.
Harbor Freight?
No,
The Six Shop?
no.
Impact Tech?
Oh, God. No.
Well,
No. Just let me think. The shred wedge.
Oh, yeah, they followed us this morning.
And if we had two of them, we could fucking take both wheels off a bike, probably. Hey, shred wedge, sled hedge. Send me one of these.
This is Justin's attempt at doing his first YouTube sponsorship. It's kind of cute.
Give me one of these. Well, this isn't how I'm asking them. I had messaged him and went back and forth with him yesterday. So it's not, this is not my attempt. This is my attempt. Not this.
Like a little schoolgirl at recess. Think he'll message me back? Think he'll let me do my first YouTube sponsorship? With the shred wedge, we would not be able to do this right now. Because the shred wedge only puts the front up.
But if you had two of them, can't you just fucking lift it?
I don't know.
Send me two of them.
That all we do is coasters, you know what I mean? What?
It worked.
Oh shit.
Okay, so I got a little XR50 here. Motor swapped it with an Amazon 125, put a one finger clutch on it. She's good to go. I didn't know where you guys were going. Fuck no. We missed all of it. I'll go down this way. You're gonna have to. All right, we'll be right here. All right, this is where we get our sandwiches.
Oh shit.
Thank you. Hey, are you doing Italian beef?
He tells me these are really good. Is that true?
Oh, you want to interview me now? There you go. Yeah, that's what he calling himself doing. Yeah, put me on YouTube.
Look how juicy they are. They're leaking.
You know, we used to think that these were all murder victims. But I guess it's just people from the community and they like to put their pictures up here.
Yeah, he was saying that.
Which is a relief.
Come put your picture up at North.
Come put your picture out. We're going to put mine out next week. Man, I just feel out of it after that Italian beef. Do I have any on my face? Yeah, I like to take a bath after. No. Yeah, maybe some fresh grips on it. Oh, this will do just fine. Sweet, those bad boys are on there. Those cocksuckers. So then I gotta take all this stuff apart and run it through the bars. That's next.